So right now we're going to discuss functions with no parameters. This is very simple. I'm going to keep this as simple as possible. So a function is basically a collection of commands that you can call up anytime, right? And it has certain parts to it. It has a declaration, which is def, right? Which means define, okay? We call it declaration. We have the function name, which is highlighted in yellow. That's your function name, okay? And you have the function call. Now notice this is also in yellow because the function call is your function name without the def. Okay, that's what it is. Your function call is your function name without this. That's all it is, okay? And what happens is when you make the call, when you define the function, it will print all the commands inside the function. And this define and to put something inside a function, you pretty much type it, and then you indent it to put it in. Once you take out the indentation, you will lose it. So let's go over some examples, okay? So earlier we did print hello, okay? And when we run it, we print hello. Very simple, right? So what we can do is just type in def, we call it say hello, okay? And we're just simply going to call it that. Now, in order to put this inside a function, okay, just like that, we will have to indent it and put it in the function. We tab it over. Now we type in say hello, okay? We'll type in hello. If I were to take this out, and I will just comment this out real quick, okay? And when run it, nothing will print because I have to call it. If I want to call this function 3 times, right? I simply say hello, sorry, say hello, and it will run it 3 times, okay? Now, you can go ahead and say, what is your name, right? So remember we had previously had what is your name? So let's take this out and get another function, call it say name, okay? And you can print what is your name, just like that. And then we can just type in x1 equals input. And then we type in print my name is blah x1, just like the previous examples that we did, right? When we do that, we can run it, and of course, nothing will happen. I have to call it, okay? So let me call it and type in say name, just like that. And I'm going to run it. And I'm going to type in, Fred. My name is Fred. Notice say hello did not run. So what I can do is, well, there's another way to do it. I can just say, okay, well, I can type in say hello, and say name, okay? And we want to say hello again, okay, just like that. So we can run it, hello, what is your name? Just like this, okay? And then we type in Fred again. We end up with my name is Fred. Again, we get hello. Now I have a little typo here. I just changed this to a question mark, and that will just fix. That will go ahead and fix the problem here. Okay. So we run it again. It'll say hello. What is your name? Again, Frank. And again, it's hello. So we'll have hello. So these 2 functions here. What is your name? My name is Frank. Say hello. So you can kind of control your code by first just defining your code and calling whatever you need. Okay. This is how functions work. In your function call, this is all you have to do. Okay. Now, in your assignments, okay, you will see prompt the user favorite color. You'll say, what is your name? My name is, just like the example, my name is Bob or something. And then you will say, what is your favorite color? It will say, you will ask, and the favorite color you print out, my name is Bob, my favorite color is whatever, green, orange, whatever, right? Then you're going to prompt the user for adding 4 numbers, right? You're going to have 4 numbers that the user is going to input, and you're going to print out the sum, okay? Just like slide. So this one right here, okay, just observe slide 2 and slide slide 6, example 1. Okay. For this problem here, study slide 5 and example 2 here. Okay. And for this problem, right, what we want to do, just like slide 7, we put these two. We're going to put these problems here inside different functions, just like we did in this video. Okay, so go ahead and study the video and work on your assignment.